Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Dikshika Tripathi and I work as a human rights activist for All India Human Rights Association. And today we will discuss the topics right against exploitation covered under Articles 23 and 24 of the Indian Constitution. The right against exploitation is very important fundamental right because it guarantees every citizen protection from any kind of forced labor and exploitation. आर्टिकल 23 किसी भी तरह के शोषण या जबरदस्ती कराई जाने वाली मजदूरी के खिलाफ इंसान को एक संवैधानिक अधिकार देता है। जितने भी भारतीय नागरिक हैं सबको ये अधिकार दिया गया है। Here, Article 23 talks about prohibition of traffic in human beings and forced labor, while Article 24 talks about prohibition of employment of children in factories. Moving on, prohibition of employment of children in factories. Now we shall study these articles in depth. जब हम आर्टिकल 23 पढ़ते हैं तो कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक्स होते हैं जो पढ़ना इसेंशियल हो जाता है। उनमें पहला टॉपिक है मीनिंग ऑफ एक्सप्लॉयटेशन। एक्सप्लॉयटेशन का मतलब होता है कि अगर किसी और इंसान की फोर्स की सर्विसेज को ज़बरदस्ती बाय फोर्स या फिर विदाउट पेमेंट यूज़ करें तो इट्स कॉल्ड एक्सप्लॉयटेशन। In India, there are many marginalized communities who are forced to engage in manual and agricultural labor without any payment. और इसी लेबर विदाउट पेमेंट को बेगर कह सकते हैं। Article 23 forbids any form of exploitation. Now, what is meant by forced labor? Forced labor का मतलब होता है कि जब किसी इंसान या किसी व्यक्ति को मिनिमम वेज से भी कम सैलरी पे ज़बरदस्ती काम करवाया जाए उसे forced labor कहते हैं। It is also known as bonded labor. This article also prohibits trafficking. Trafficking का मतलब होता है जब किसी व्यक्ति को दूसरा व्यक्ति खरीद और बेच रहा हो। For example, slaves in ancient time, it was a very common practice of trafficking and it still continues these days. और आर्टिकल 23 के बारे में एक इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि ये आर्टिकल एक सिटीज़न को सिर्फ स्टेट के अगेंस्ट प्रोटेक्शन नहीं देता है बल्कि वो एक सिटीज़न को अदर सिटीजन्स के अगेंस्ट भी इस सिचुएशन के रिगार्डिंग प्रोटेक्शन प्रोवाइड करती है। Clause 2 of this article implies that the compulsory services for public purposes are not unconstitutional, and this public purpose can be understood with an example. For example, the armed forces, they are an exception. Some laws that were passed by the parliament to implement this article were the Suppression of Immoral Traffic in Women and Girls Act 1956 and the Bonded Labor System Abolition Act 1976. Moving ahead to Article 24, Article 24 prohibits the employment of children in factories. The article says that no child below the age of 14 years shall be employed to work any factory or mine or engaged in any other hazardous employment. This act is available against any hazardous industry or factories or mines without exception. However, the employment of children in non-hazardous work is allowed. Now, some acts that were passed in pursuance of Article 24 in India are the Factories Act 1948, the Mines Act of 1952, the Children Labour Prohibition and Regulation Act of 1986, the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Act 2016 and 17, that is the Child Labour Prohibition and Regulation Amendment Rules 2017. And with this, we complete the topic of right against exploitation. Thank you so much for listening.